gosh, it's so beautiful. The rolling hills. Chino Hill State Park.
In 3.1 miles, prepare.
Mahirap itong gahay kami daan sa masakit.
Like this.
Bumabag yung mga
2 miles nga.
ito yung parking. Mas. Sa mas ko.
Hey!
Ha?
Ayan no, self-pay. Okay. We're leaving the parking. And we're going back to the trailhead. Papa!
Hindi po ta.
Good morning. Good morning. We'll be trying to hike Bane Canyon Trail Road and the Sidewinder if I find it. So later.
Later.
Good morning. It's
Showtime.
it's April what, Papa? 2021. Look how pretty the hills are. Springing in Chino Hills, California.
Dito pa lang pa, pagod lang ko.
You'll get to this. I guess this is a trailhead. I don't know. Way down there. And from here, it says no parking because the parking is that way. East fence. Punta tayo muna dyan. No motor vehicle. This is the east fence trail. Lower Aliso. Well, it's cute. Alright, so that's the name. Sidewinder and Bane Ridge Trail. This way.
To heaven.
That was the East Ridge Trail. Alright. Let's go. Let's go, Papa. Let's go. Pretty hills. White flowers. Papa.
Hindi po ta.
Look how that's where we came from for half a mile from the trailhead. It's going back to the parking and a little Sidewinders here. We're gonna go there in a while. But oh, so pretty here. Good morning. Good morning. Come up here. Look how pretty. Ang ganda. Screensaver. Windows screensaver. I'm on it. Look. And where I'm going? Ah, let's go, let's go. Look at that. Hello. Look, pretty, pretty. Windows 98. Screensaver.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Video.
Point half a mile. Let me show you. Yes. Hi.
Apa?
Too far, Daddy.
Balikin pa natin?
From that top of the hill, you just continue for I don't know how long, but it will lead you back to the parking. Look how long it is. After a while, about 1.25 miles walking.
Kasama yung
You'll
babae
probably
na nagtanong sa akin.
pass by that tower there. Here we go again. Coming in. From there, let me show you another lookout. Look how pretty it is. The road in the parking. Papa, look. So pretty your background. Papa! Bungur. Viking here. Look. There you go. We're nearing the tower. The tower? There's a way to your left there. You see the family going back. Once you reach the tower, there's like you can go straight up there. You can go all the way here, which leads to I don't know where. But we are taking this left turn out to go back to the paved highway back there. Alright, see ya. There are some different kind of flowers. According to Papa, other side, different flowers. There's the highway. That's where we came from, all around there. And that was the tower. We came from there. I guess this one is turning to the left. That's the paved street, and the lookout earlier, and another parking area over there. After the turn, you get over to this, I don't know what kind of signage this is. No motor vehicle eh. Di pwede. You'll get to this right. I don't know where this one goes. Another trail for you, but we're going this way. This trail back to the pavement. Some takes that. It says Bane Canyon. Morning. So we're back to the first area that we parked and took pictures earlier before we parked. Pretty wildflowers. Okay, after sharing one Panera tuna sandwich and one yofi, we're back to walking back to the parking area. Let's go. All right, here you go. That's where are we? Huh?
Ramen na lang natin.
Ano?
Ramen.
Anong gagawin sa ramen?
Ramen o buwa.
Ang kakainin? That's the Bane Canyon there. See, there's people walking. But we were not sure, so we preferred to take the pavement. There they are. We were there earlier, and then we hiked this ridge up all the way to that tower, and then back here now. That to the road pave to here, and I don't know, maybe half a mile more from the pave.
Yun yung parking, may plan? No.
I have no idea. Not yet.
Oh yeah?
Not yet.
Those are the braids. Oh yeah, this is it.
What, this is it?
This is it.
Ah, that's where we came. Yeah. That one.